Hi everyone, this is Trade Diary 101. Not been keeping too good in terms of health, so not updated a lot of videos. But yes, this is Bajaj Finance. Uh, we'll just understand the Bajaj Finance in a very short way, and then we'll see how do we take a trade on this particular stock. Now, if you see, this stock is moving in a very upward direction, so you can say this is a bullish stock, right? And after this fall up in the month of February, which started in the month of February, we saw a bit of thing. And then here, if you see this part of it, here there was a kind of a morning star followed by a shooting star, sorry, inverse hammer. A lot of these things gave a suggestion that the price is moving ahead, right? And then the price started shooting up, forming a higher top, higher bottoms, right? Now, how should we take a trade? Now, for us, let's mark a very important levels, that is this level 1, that this should be our support levels on a long term. So if anybody is looking at a positional trade, this is where your stop losses should be, below this particular level. Now, for the ones who are taking a short what do you say trade, so there are certain things that are happening here. One is this part of it, which is forming a kind of a symmetrical triangle, right? So this is a very beautiful symmetrical triangle that is happening here, and plus the stock is in an upward direction, which we can also say that this is a kind of a flag that is being formed, right? So if suppose we get a chance to buy the stock, it would be about this particular level, or you say that as a breakout of this triangle should give us a good chance to buy. We'll do a little more analysis on this part of it. We'll just get into a little deeper by going into hourly charts and trying and see. Now if you see here, there is a small with the same triangle that is being formed here, but very interesting thing that is also happening here is this part of it. Okay, now if you see this part of it, if I had to mark it in this way, a kind of a ascending triangle within a triangle is being formed. This is a major triangle that is being formed symmetrically, and there is a kind of a push from the seller side around 6110 or 11 points. Sorry, right? If suppose we have a breakout about this, basically this is for an intraday perspective, so anything about this should give us a buying opportunity, and we would look forward to our exit points around, say, probably these levels, which is around 6200 levels के आसपास we should be able to exit. Now, for people who are looking at a long term, say 15 days, 20 days, and if you get a breakout about this level and then it reconfirms it by retest, we will look forward to looking at a much bigger target points on this particular stock, because it's going to be in an all-time high. Uh, having said that, uh, having said that, we should see somewhere around these levels. Say, um, 1 second. Sorry, I'm very bad with my health today, so yeah, somewhere around these levels, around 4 to 5% is what you should look at if you are looking at a long-term perspective, like say 15 days to 1 month period of time, and if we get a breakout about these levels. But yes, for the ones who want to take a shorter period, say intraday basis के लिए, should work with these small ranges, which is in your ascending triangle type formation, and exit it with at least 1.5% returns if whatever you get here. This is for an intraday basis. I hope you understood this. You have any queries, you can let me know, or if you want to know any particular stock you want me to tell you how to take a trade, or what are the trade opportunities in those stocks, do let me know, message, direct messages, and we shall get back. Yeah, hopefully all the best, and we'll see with another video again. Bye bye, take care.